Here we are at our Harris Cruiser 220 pontoon boat for sale. This is a 2018 rental fleet model. It's powered by a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard motor. Under 300 hours anticipated on this outboard motor. Those can be verified upon taking delivery. This has transferable warranty, which is going to take you through Memorial Day weekend of 2019. Current asking price is going to be found on our website, which is www.yournewboat.com. Click the Find Your New Boat button. You're going to see everything in our inventory in order of price. Scroll down until you see the red Harris Cruiser 220 pontoon boat for sale. You'll see the asking price right there. And then of course you can click on that photo and that'll take you to a slideshow. It's going to show you the full list of features on this boat. And our contact information will be on there. You can contact us by phone, by email, by text. If you ever call us and you get our voicemail, leave us a message because we're often in areas without cell phone reception. We do our best to sell inventory on all of Norris, Lake Tennessee. This boat's rated for 11 people. We've got a Fusion AM, FM, USB input stereo with 4 speakers. That's a Lowrance Hook 3 depth and fish finder. That is a double USB input right there. You've got a 12-volt power outlet right here. Horn, navigation lights, tachometer, engine trim, and fuel gauge all here at your helm. We've got the luxury woven vinyl flooring. Nice dark tan color on this one. We've got the 3 gates, meaning you can enter here on the front and also enter midship on the port side. We can enter off the stern of the boat. We've got the walkthrough. We've got a Bimini top overhead. This is also being sold with a full mooring cover as well as removable lounge table. That table has not yet been installed. That can be installed upon delivery. There's your rear gate. 31-gallon fuel capacity on this one. Ski tow bar, swim boarding ladder, and there's that Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. 25-inch diameter pontoons on this one. No trailer is included, but if you contact us, we can either get you a new trailer at our cost or we can arrange to have this one transported to you. There's one little mark on this seat here. About all I've seen on this one. Do try to, anytime we recognize any wear and tear, anything that we'd consider above average wear and tear, we try to show you a close-up of to save you any trouble. We don't like there to be surprises when you come see something in person. It appears to be pretty clean around the exterior. I'll do a walk around this side. That's going to start to wrap things up here. Again, this is the 2018 Harris Cruiser 220 pontoon boat for sale. It's a rental fleet pontoon boat. Basically a nice discount on a new boat. Transferable warranty, good until Memorial Day weekend 2019 on that Mercury 4-stroke motor. I thank you again for joining us.